These how to 1 minute will show you how to fix error net ERRCERT common name invalid error. So as you can see, I'm trying to open our website and here is the error message. Now follow these easy steps to solve this error. Click on the search icon and type here control panel and launch the control panel app, and here click on internet options and here select content and click on certificates, and from this list you have to search for the URL you are trying to open and then select the URL and click on remove. Once you deleted the certificate, then again try to reopen the website and you will see the website is opening. This is how we can fix this error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.